Hello students. Today we are going to solve the third exercise of Maths chapter number 6, triangles. So, question number 1 of the exercise is, state which pair of triangles in given figures are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. In the last class, when we studied about the similarity criteria, that is SAS, AAA, and SSS, based on this criteria only, you have to do the question number 1. So that will be your homework. If you have any doubt in that, you can ask. Second question is, in the given figure, triangle ODC is congruent to triangle OBA and angle OBC is equal to 125 degree and angle CDO. So here angle BOC is equal to 125 degree and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. We have to find out. So we will start with from the given figure. DOB is a straight line, right? DOB is a straight line. DOB is a straight line. Therefore, angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree, right? Reason is linear pair. Angle DOC plus angle COB. Angle DOB is a straight line. Now, angle DOC will be as it is. Angle COB is 125 degree. 125 is equal to 180 degree. Now, angle DOC, this 125 will go towards this side. So 180 degree minus 125 degree. So angle DOC is equal to 55 degree, right? So this we got angle DOC, which we wanted to find. DOC, this is 55 degree. Now, in triangle DOC, angle DCO plus angle CDO plus angle DOC will be equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle, right? So angle DCO plus angle CDO is 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle DOC is 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle DCO plus this will be 125 degree. 70 plus 55 is 180 degree. So angle DCO will be 55 degree, right? This we have got the value of angle DCO. This we will consider equation number 1. Now, triangle ODC is congruent to triangle OBA, right? It is already given. So, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. OCD is equal to angle DCO, right? So, angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD, and OCD is equal to DCO. So DCO is 55 degree. So angle OAB will be 55 degree. Hence, angle DOC is equal to 55 degree. Here you can write from equation 1. And angle DCO is equal to 55 degree, and angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. So this three we wanted to prove. We have to find the value of these three angles. So with this we completed the second one. I hope you are clear with the question. Now third one. Third is diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC. So here we have to draw a trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium which is drawn, and here AB is parallel to DC, right? And AC and BD are diagonals. Now they intersect each other at point O. So intersect each other at point O. Now using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Or another way this question can be asked as, prove that diagonals of trapezium divide each other in same ratio. So we will construct the figure we have to draw, which I have drawn it. The construct a trapezium ABCD such that AB parallel to CD. Now draw its diagonals AC and BD, which intersects at point O, right? So here we have already drawn it, and we have angled it. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Okay. So now first we will take triangle OCD and triangle OAB, right? We have to prove that diagonals are divided in the same ratio. So in triangle OCD and triangle OAB, AB is parallel to CD. It is given. So therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Reason: alternate interior angles. Okay, this is a reason. So also angle DOC is equal to angle BOA. BOA, right? Reason: vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle OCD is congruent to triangle OAB. Triangle OCD is congruent to triangle OAB. By which criteria? AAA, similarity criteria. So therefore OC by OA will be equal to OD by OB. Reason: ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles. Similar triangles are equal, right? So therefore we will take the reciprocal. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD on taking the reciprocal of the term. This we wanted to prove. So hence proved. With this we complete the third one.